Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from an IRA after retirement. Watch until the end to learn more. First, withdraw the required minimum distribution RMD. This refers to the amount you must take from your IRA and traditional 401k every year after turning 72. If you skip this RMD, you'll be subjected to a tax equivalent of 50% of the amount you should have withdrawn. Alternatively, you can use the 4% rule. This rule allows you to withdraw 4% of your IRA in the first year and adjust this percentage to keep up with inflation. For example, if you have $500,000 in your IRA and apply this rule, you'll withdraw $20,000 in the first year. If you adjust for inflation at 2%, you'll withdraw $20,400 the following year. Finally, try the systematic approach. Here, you'll only withdraw the interest or dividends accrued by your investment and leave the principal. This ensures you'll always have money in your retirement account, but requires a large principal to meet your needs and is subject to the market's performance. That's how you withdraw money from an IRA after retirement. Thanks for watching. Until next time.